return outward. Sorry, sir.
Yeah, any other way you do it, you still get it correct.
Oh, okay, sir.
So do what you are comfortable with. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Uh-huh.
Yes, sir.
But it wouldn't be bad if you add the carriage inwards to it before lessening the return outwards.
Yes, sir. So because I did that, and Harrison was like, it would be good if you subtract, if you do the less return outward before you add the carriage inward. That is why I'm asking this
Good,
question.
good. Yeah, that is also perfect. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you can do purchases less the one you've taken out to the supplier, then you add the carriage. Fine.
Yes,
But
sir.
as I said, whichever way you do it, you still get it correct.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Phaedra. Any other question? Any question? Any question? Okay, then I'm glad. It means whatever I'm taking you through is sinking, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Enoch. Okay. All right, so let's look at the cash book. Right. When we say the cash book, what comes to mind? In accounting, when we say cash book, what comes to mind? Or what is cash book in accounting? Where is this? Hassan, Jonathan.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Please, when you talk about cash book book is the the account that records all transactions involving cash flow in a business. Thank you, sir.
Involving cash flow in the business. Okay, thank you. Any other? Okay, let me see. Hassan has spoken. Phaedra. Is it Phaedra or Phaedra?
Sir, please, Phaedra.
Okay, Phaedra.
Yes, sir. Sir, please, I think a cash book is basically your company official daily of cash and bank transaction.
Wait, I didn't hear you well. Cash book is what?
I said it's basically your company daily transaction of money.
Money.
Yes, sir.
Phaedra.
That is what I think,
said,
sir.
Thank you. I did not answer my question. That's why. I said book, and you are talking about what happens. See, you are talking about what happens.
Okay, sir.
But I'm talking about something, a book.
Yes,
okay, thank you. Let's listen to Enoch.
Yes, sir. Sir, I would say the cash book. It will record the receipt and payment of cash and check, not only cash, it's cash and check. Thank you.
It records the receipts and payment of cash and check.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great. Thank you for that elaborate explanation. So, definition. So, if you want to explain to the understanding of a lay person, how will you explain it? The first person who spoke said it records cash inflows. That is why I wanted to hear the other side. And Enoch has nailed it right by saying it records both inflow and outflow of both cash and check transactions. Okay, right. So Enoch, how will you? Okay, a hand is up.
So
Hassan. Mhm.
I didn't specify the in or out. I said the cash flow.
Yes.
Yes, sir. So which means that the cash flow, meaning which involves both the inflow and then the outflow of cash.
Okay.
Yes,
Yo,
sir.
I agree. I take your point. But how many of your colleagues will understand that if we say cash flow, it connotes, I think you are right. But how many of colleagues will appreciate that when we say cash flow, it connotes inflow and outflow? That is what I wanted to hear. Thank you, Enoch.
Yes, sir.
You're right. Okay. That is awesome. Yeah. So to the layman, how will you explain it? To the layman, how will you explain what you have just said? Cash inflow, cash outflow. What is it?
Yes, sir. So
Mhm.
to the layman's understanding, that is as Enoch said. So the inflow talking about cash which is being received into either the business or the individual, and then the cash outflow talking about the cash which is going out for from the in the business,
Going out in terms of what?
going out in terms of purchases or
Purchases,
payments. Yes, sir.
payment for expenses and all that. Okay. Thank
Yes,
you
sir.
very much. So it is in that book that we record those transactions. So anything cash for the business or check for the business is recorded in the cash book. All right. Thank you very much. Let's move on. If there is any question, you can ask. If not, we move on. So let's see what we have on the slide. That after you've studied this lecture, you should be able to explain the format of 2-column and 3-column cash book. Enter up the balance of cash book. We use the folio columns for corresponding purposes. All right, so make entries for discounts allowed and discount received, and then make similar entries in separate columns of the cash book for other recurring items. Good. So we said a cash book is the cash account and bank account put together in one book. Is the cash account and bank account put together in one book. This means we can record all money received and paid out on the same page. Either on cash basis or check or draft basis. In the cash book, the debit column for cash and debit column for bank are put together. And the same applies to the credits column. So this is a typical example. There's a typical example of the cash book. The cash, as we see here, the cash account is separate from the bank account. The cash account is separate from the bank account. So we call this type of accounts as single column cash book. Single column or one column cash book, meaning it's a cash book which could either host the cash account or host the bank account only. All right. So all the transactions at the debit side, which is the left-hand side of your uh, uh, of the T account, are all receipts. They are money coming into the business. So they are receipts. And then all the transactions at the right-hand side, that is the credit side, are monies being paid out, monies leaving the business as a result of payment for goods or services received. Okay. So here, these two individual accounts have been put together to form the cash book. Do you see? It has been put together to give you the cash book. Here, individually, there were accounts, cash account and bank account. Then putting the two together in one book becomes a cash book. So as the cash book, you have the cash and bank put together side by side, and then that is the debit side and the credit side, cash and bank are side by side. If you have it this way, then we said that is the cash book. So if the transaction involves cash, you record it under cash. If it involves check, you record it under bank. Or if it involves bank, you record it under bank, whether payment or receipt, whether inflow or outflow. All right. No, so for every T account or ledger account, there is what is known as the folio column. The folio column. What does the folio column do? The folio column helps us to narrate the ledger in which the corresponding account can be found. The ledger name and then the page in which the corresponding account can be found. So the folio normally gives direction to help the user of the information to track the corresponding account. So it said just like a T account, the cash book has a detail column that contains the names of the account in which the other part of the double entry has been entered. More information can be given using the folio column. A folio is drawn up in the cash book and the name of the other book and page number is entered against every entry. So just as what I've said. So that is it. And so you see the folio column, the first transaction is what? Capital. And then the folio is saying GL1. GL1. What does that mean? When we say GL, what
The
does it mean?
general ledger.
General ledger. And then 1 means what?
General ledger 1.
The general ledger what?
Say 1.
Okay, any other person? General ledger what? General ledger is correct. What does the 1 stand for?
So please, can it be like the first entry in the general ledger?
Is that what you are telling us? No? General ledger what? Who can give it? Who can try? You said general ledger 1, and I said no. So general ledger what? Nobody. Okay, so GL1 means general ledger page 1. You know, the books are in pages. So general ledger page 1. When you go there, you see the capital account, and the entry will be there to show. If you see SL98, what does that mean?
So sales ledger page 98.
Sales ledger page 98. Sales ledger page 98. So when you go take the sales ledger and you open to page 98, you should see M. Boon's account. And you see the entry at the credit side of it. Then when you come to GL87, that one we said general ledger page 87. But where you see C/, what it means is that it is a contra entry. Contra entry. What contra entry means is that the movements, the completion of the double entry is happening in the same book. It is happening in the same book. So that is a contra entry. Then when you come to the credits side, you see PL23. PL23, what does it mean?
The
Purchases ledger page 23.
ledger.
Come again.
The purchases ledger page 23.
Purchases ledger page 23. Okay, so that is how we use the folio column. But in exams, nobody will require you to show the folio column. You don't have time for that. But in reality, in the various softwares that are used, this folio column is embedded in it. So when you make the entry, you have to complete that section as well. Okay. Any question again? So this is a 2-column cash book. 2-column cash book, because it has 2 columns for the recording of cash amount, i.e. cash and then bank. So in actual fact, it is cash account and bank account put together. Okay. Then we have cash discount. Cash discount. What is discount? If you know, you put up your hand. What is discount? When we say discount, what does it mean? Yeah, Festus.
So a discount is the reduction of sales or a transaction for maybe promotional or maybe other purposes. So, for example, I can be purchasing maybe I've been purchasing a particular product from a customer over a long period and decide that, oh, because of my loyalty, if the actual cost of the product will cost 1,000 cedis, he's going to give it to me at 800 cedis for being or doing business with the person over a period. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Assembly Elsie.
Yes, sir. Discount means paying less on the original amount of the product.
Good. Thank you, Assembly. Fedra.
Sir,
Yeah,
please,
Fedra.
discount means reducing a usual sales price of a product or service, often used to boost sales or reward customer.
Okay, boost sales or reward custom. Fedra, let me be a bit inquisitive. Your
Yes,
name,
sir.
Fedra, is it biblical name or?
Sir, please, he said.
Your name, Fedra,
Yes,
from
sir.
where?
Yes, sir.
From the Bible or from imagination?
Sir, it complements the Fidaus. Fidaus
Okay,
means heaven, and the Fedra means bright.
bright. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. I'm just
So,
being
sir,
inquisitive.
bright heavens. Thank you.
Bright heaven, eh?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, Fedra. Thank you. Festus, your hand is still up.
Sir, sorry.
Okay. All right. Asan, you to your hand is still up.
Yes, you were asking about the discount, but my network went off and then I came. I don't know whether you are done handling it or not.
Yeah. They have done justice to it. They have
Yes,
done
sir.
or you have something to say?
Oh no, sir. If I
Okay,
just wanted to also say
thank
something, but yes, sir.
you very much. Thank you very much. So what Fedra Assembly and then Festus, all of you, what you said, perfect. Festus add that over time, having a buying relationship with a customer can result to that. So all that you said, Fedra also said, in order to clear goods, Assembly also said so, pay less of the original price. All right, so discounts are used to create trading relationship. They are also used to honor loyal customers and to establish and stamp good relationship with customer. Then the cash discount, because we have quantity discount, we have trade discount, and then we have cash discount. When we talk of quantity discount, what does it imply? When we talk of trade discount, what does it imply? And when we talk of cash discount, why do we establish this discount?
Sir, please, the question again.
Festus, I'm saying that we have about 3 types of discount: trade, quantity, and then cash discounts. Why do we have, or why do businesses establish this type of discount? So if you take trade, you tell us the reasons for instituting trade discount. If you take quantity, you tell us the reason for instituting quantity discount. And if you take cash, you also tell us why cash. First is, are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, for the first time, I'm seeing Justice Bodwe.
Yes,
So
sir.
let me
Justice
give,
Bob.
yeah, let me
Sir,
give Justice the floor.
sir, the cash discount.
Good, go ahead.
Sir, I believe they do that to promote early payment. That is when purchases are being made, they want the people to pay upfront, or they should pay early. So they give them a
Okay,
discount. Then it encourages them to pay rather than them going
good.
for maybe the long-term purchase.
Okay, okay, perfect. It encourages prompt cash payment so that the business will not have the headache of chasing customers after credit sales to come and pay. So prompt cash payment encourages prompt cash payment. Thank you. Okay, then Asan.
Sir, the quantity discount. The quantity discount also
Quantity discount.
yes, sir. It also encourages customers to buy more because the more they buy, then the lesser they pay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, all right. So quantity discount is instituted to encourage bulk purchases for customers to buy in bulk. Okay, buy two, get one free. Buy five, get two free. Buy 10, get three free. This is it. Okay, thank you. Then we have Noah Foster. Noah Foster, for the first time,
Okay,
you
sir.
want to help us.
Trade
Yeah.
discount.
Have I mentioned your name correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
It encourage
Speak
bulk
up.
buying.
Speak up.
Okay, trade discount.
Trade discount.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
It encourage bulk buying
It encourages bulk buying.
or to allow
Okay.
retailers to make a profit when they resell the item at the least
To
price.
allow,
To allow
we
the
can't hear
retailer.
you.
To allow the retailer
Mm-hmm.
to make a profit when they resell the item at the least price.
Okay. Okay. All right. So that is trade discount.
Yes, sir.
Simply put, it helps to establish trade relationship between countries, customers, to for a longer relationship. Okay, thank you. So let's go. So here, what we are going to talk about is cash discount because we are dealing with the cash book. So we are looking at the cash discount. So to encourage early payment of account, a business may accept smaller sum in full settlement if payment is made within a certain period of time. So some businesses will tell you, if you pay upfront, you get 20%. If you pay after 1 week, you get maybe 15%. After 1 month, 10%. After 2 months, maybe 5%. Anything above 2 months will attract delayed payment sanction, or anything above 2 months, no discount. So businesses do some of these things. But what we normally see is when you go to the shops, cash discount you are giving. I think Malcolm, they do it a lot. Okay, let's move on. Discount allowed is cash discount allowed by a business to its customers when they pay their account quickly. Discount allowed. So when you hear discount allowed, it means it is moving from the seller to the buyer. Then discount received. Discount received. It is granted by the supplier to the business. So the one who comes to your shop to buy and you give him discount of 5%, that person, to him, it will be discount received. To you, the seller, it will be discount allowed. Okay? So if the business also goes to buy from FIDRA, and FIDRA granted Foster a discount, to FIDRA, it is discount allowed. To Foster, it is discount received. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. All right. So let's move on. So what you see here is posting of discount allowed. When the discount is granted, discount allowed. Okay. It said Clark owed 100. He pays us in cash on 2nd September, which is within the time limit applicable for 5% discount. So what it means is that Clark is going to pay 95% and keep 5%. So the business will receive cash of 95, and then Clark's account will be credited with 95. But then Clark is supposed to pay 100. So the discount allowed account will be debited with what? 5, which is the discount allowed. And where did that 5 go? It was given to Clark. So credits Clark. So you debit the discount allowed account and credit Clark's account. That is the entry. Okay. Then discount received. The business owed S small 400. It pays him a check on 3rd September 2012, which is within the time limit laid down by him for 2.5% cash discount. So the business is going to pay how much? The business is going to pay 97.5. The business is going to pay S small 97.5 and keep the 2.5 as discount received. So you see that debits S small 390, which is 97.5, and of 400. Then we'll credit the bank account of the business because the business is paying the 390. Then where is the balance? The balance of 10. We'll debit S small and then we'll credit discount received. So you see that when you add S small 390 plus the 10, it will give you 400. So we don't owe S small. He has granted it to us as what? Discount. If you have any question, you can ask. So this is how the entry will look like. So this, okay, Hassan, your hand is up.
Okay, so the next slide even answered me. The one that you just so I wanted to ask whether the discount allowed, you are supposed to also you are going to be opening accounts for the discounts allowed in itself, let's say in the opening of the ledgers.
Okay. Yeah. So the following slide explains it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. So you see that the discount received, it has been credited. And he said what? The folio is what? PL 75. So when you go to purchases ledger page 75, you see the entry there. It will be in a small debit side because he has reduced his money that we are supposed to pay him by that amount. Discount allowed, when you go to sales ledger page 12, you will see it because the business has reduced what W. Clark owes us by 5. So it will be at the credit side of its account. So this is where you see them. So when it comes to W. Clark, he paid a cash. So CB 32, when you go to cash book page 32, you see the entry in the cash debit side. And then the discount. When you go to GL 17, page 17 of the general ledger, you see the entries there, debit. So when you put the cash paid and the discount granted together, it will give you 100. When you come to S small, the business paid him how much? 390, cash book page 32. You see it, bank column. And then he also granted a business discount of 10. So when you go to general ledger page 18, it will be there, credit side. That is what they have indicated at the top here. At your extreme right, on top, general ledger page 18, general ledger page 17, sales ledger page 12, purchases ledger page 75. So they are only showing you where you can locate them. So when you put the two together, you have 400. Any question? Any question? Any question? Cost rep. Cost rep. Fidra, is the cost rep around?
Sir, please, I'm coming now.
Where is the cost rep? He isn't around there.
Yes, sir, I think
Hello.
He was around, but maybe I think
he was around the network.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's make progress. How many are you supposed to be in class?
Sir, 32.
Oh, okay. So everybody is on board.
No, we are 39. 39, I get.
39.
39.
Yes,
Now we are
yeah,
33.
39.
at
Not
33.
32.
Yo, I hear. So we have about 8 of you not present. Okay, let's move on. All right, so we move on. If no question, we move on to the 3-column discount column in the cash book. So now we have seen how the cash account and the bank account are put together. So now we want to also put the discount account together with cash and bank. So it's a discount columns in the cash book. To reduce the number of entries in the general ledger, discount columns can be what? Added to the cash book. The discount column is added to the debit side of the cash book, and the discount allowed column is added to the debit side of the cash book. Sorry. The discount allowed column is added to the debit side of the cash book.
Hello,
And
Tish.
yes.
Sorry. This is Gabriel. Sorry, but I had network issues.
Go ahead.
You called me, Gabriel, the rep.
Oh, are you sure I called you?
Yeah, please.
Sorry.
That is the course rep.
That's the cost rep.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. The course rep.
Okay. I wanted to know the number of the class. It's not for anything. I just want to know the number, but your colleagues have already told. So let's move. And a discount received column is added to the credit side of the cash book. So at the debit side, it is discount allowed. At the credit side, it is discount received. The reason is that at the debit side, that is why we receive the money from the debtor, the customer. And so the discount we give him, allowed him or her, plus the cash paid put together will give us the original price of the item. And the same thing applies to the credit side. The supplier grants the business discount received. So the credit side is where we do the payment, and that is where the supplier grants the discount. So the receive is at that point. But note these two well. The discount allowed having debit entry is an expense account. The discount allowed is an expense account. The discount received having credit entry is what? An income account. That is why come in the income statement, you have the discount allowed under operating expenses among the list of items under operating expenses. And then the discount received, you have it under gross profits. You add it to gross profit. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. Let's move on. So the total of these columns will be posted to the relevant discount allowed column. So one last thing. The discount allowed columns in the cash book are not prepared on double entry basis. They are prepared on memorandum basis. So what it means is that the totals of the discount allowed column should not be the same as the totals of the discount received column. Their totals are entered separately, and we don't find closing balances for them. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yeah, please come again.
Yes, sir.
The totals of the discount allowed and received columns, they are not prepared on double entry basis. They are prepared on memorandum basis. What this means is that the totals of the discount allowed column should not be the same as the totals of the discount received column. And we don't find balances carried down on the discount allowed and the discount received columns. Unlike the cash and bank, which are prepared on double entry basis. So the total of the discount allowed will stand alone as different from the totals of the discount received. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So
Oh,
in what you said, in both will have a different amount, and it should not be
yes.
balanced.
It should not be balanced. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
It should not be balanced. Okay. All right. Let's make progress. So that's what we have. So you say Clark was granted 5% discount. So he paid 95%, which is 95. And then the discount was 5. Discount allowed was 5. Now, if you add 5 to 95, you get the original price of the item. The original price was how much? It was 100. Clark
100.
owed us 100. Good. Clark owed us 100. So that is what has been entered in the cash book. And then if you look at the payment side, S small, he paid 390. We paid 390. The business paid 390 because the business was granted a discount of 2.5. So 2.5 is of 400 is 10. So if it is 10, then the balance payable is 390. And when you add the discount received and the amount paid, it will be equal to how much he owed the business. He owed the business 400. Okay, right. So that is it. So this is example of entries in the trial in the cash book. These are examples of entries in the cash book. Now, is that what happened if there is an overdraft? What happened? What is an overdraft? Mm-hmm.
Hello,
If
sir.
you know, you put up your hand. Festus, you called me.
Yes, sir. I wanted to try.
Okay, go ahead.
So an overdraft is when a business request the bank to give them what they have, more than what they have in their account, and then be payable in the in the shortest possible time. So, for example, if Festus uh, Enterprise banks with ADB, and then a supplier can maybe a supplier have to make some purchases or yes receive some goods from a supplier, and I realize that I have, let's say, less than what I need for the payment, and I refer back or I go to my bankers and tell them, oh, manager of ADB, I have this urgent need, so I have to pay this bill, but I realize I don't have much in my account. So grant me more than what I have to foresee the maybe to transact the business. In a day or a month's time, I'll pay. That becomes an overdraft. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Overdrafts. Do you agree to what Festus has said?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
That's
Yes,
good.
sir.
So that is a simple meaning of an overdraft. Okay, so let's move on. Let's see how it is handled in the cash book. So the cash book is the cash account and the bank account are assets to the business. They are assets to the business. They become assets when they have a debit balance. Debit balance means there is money in the account. But they become liabilities when they don't have money in the account and they have gone to take other people's money with the consent of the bank. payable within 12 months. The shortest possible time that our brother mentioned is from 1 to 12 months, 0 to 12 months. Within this period, the overdraft must be paid. So now, the cash account cannot be overdraft on the cash account. There can only be a loan taken to support it. Because as it is now, whatever cash you have on you, when you step out, that is what you can spend. Assembly.
Yes, sir. Please, I wanted to ask that with the overdrafts, what if you can pay maybe to be more than a year, the 12 months, and then maybe you arrange that they'll be taking it from your account bit by bit. Is that possible?
So let me throw it back to the class. Is it possible that overdraft can go beyond 12 months?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Assembly.
Sir.
You get it?
Okay.
Assembly.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but somebody want to say something. Festus,
So, sir, if it should go longer period like that, it therefore terms like as a loan. So the OD is just like a contingent, a temporary measure to bridge a gap. But when you want it for a longer period, just as my sister said, to be taken, maybe to be paid in bits on bit basis, then it becomes a loan instead of overdraft. Thank you.
thank you.
Okay.
Hassan.
Yes, sir. So
Yeah.
what I would also add to what Festus was saying is that we have the current liabilities and we have the non-current.
Yeah.
So if the bank overdraft in itself is a loan, but it's what a current liability, which means that it falls within what a certain period of a year and below. But if it goes beyond the year to some more years, then it means that it now falls under what? Under non-current liability. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
So anytime that if you go into contract with the bank to extend your payments beyond the year, then it means that now it falls under non-current liability.
So they'll convert it into a loan.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Assembly, are you with us?
Yes, please. I get it.
Do you work with a bank?
No, please, I don't.
Do you take overdrafts? Assembly, do you take overdraft for your business?
Sir.
Huh?
The example
I
is
didn't hear you.
MTN quick balance.
Assembly, I didn't hear you. Do you
Please,
take loan for your...
No. I've never taken a loan before.
Okay.
Hey.
Okay, I'll see. Let's move on. Right. So if the business takes the overdraft, it's a contract. So it will be spelled out, payable within a year. So when you take business cash flow, every business prepares cash flow. For the start of the business year, every business must prepare its cash flow statement for board of directors to what? To approve of it. So what do? They project their cash sources inflow and then outflow. Now, if the sources of inflow is less than outflow, then they will have to think of how to finance that deficit. And that is where they will either decide to go for a loan or overdrafts. So if they decide to go for overdraft, then it means they will pay within a year. If they decide to go for a loan, then it could be spread for 24 to 60 months for them. All right. So that is it. Now, in the cash book, anytime you see the bank account showing a credit balance, it means it is an overdraft bank account. What it means is that the business has gone to arrange and it has been approved for the business to overdrawn its account. Now, what is the difference between an overdraft and a loan? What's the difference between an overdraft and a loan? Any idea? Elsie, Assembly.
Yeah, so with the explanation they gave, with overdraft, it's supposed to be paid within 12 months. But with a loan, it's more than 12 months or more than a year. Yes.
Okay, thank you. That's one. Any other?
Sir, so can we say the overdraft, it renders your account to the negative?
Who is talking? Who is
Justice.
talking? Justice.
Justice. Yes, sir.
Next time, don't Boraji, SCA. Okay, Justice, let's go.
Okay, so I was saying the overdraft. Can we say it's your account will be rendered into negative? Meaning you have taken more than what you have, so your account will be in negative. But for the loan, there will be an amount there upon which you will be granted the said amount that you want.
Okay. All right. That is one. Festus.
I want to say that at times it is not always when a loan will be paid more than a year or a money will be paid more than a year that qualifies it to be a loan. In other words, you have short-term loans as well. That probably you can take and pay within 3 months, 2 months, 6 months, and yet they are classified as an overdraft. So they are classified as loans or a loan. So just to throw a little light on it, you see, with overdraft, the bankers know that you owe them, and it is for that short period of time. So therefore, your account with them will go to negative, indicating that you owe them in that short period. And usually, the description or the purpose of them granting that facility is on a purpose, a short-term maybe purpose or an intermediate reason why you want to get certain things done as an entity and pay within that shortest time. But usually the loan, the purpose of it is to probably acquire assets and that sort kind of thing. That is most of the reason why they are spread over that long period. And they are huge in like the amount involved are most often big or huge in nature as compared to OD. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Fidra.
Sir. Sir, please. For me, I think the overdraft is kind of like a flexible short-term credit facility that charges interest only on the amount used. And for the loan, it provides a lump sum of fixed interest rate. Yes. And pay and that's monthly payment. Yes, sir.
Oh, that's great. That's a good information and explanation. Overdraft interest only applies on the amount assessed. But for the loan, interest is applicable on the amount given. And it has fixed installment payments on monthly basis. Or, just as Festus said, if it is for a huge capital expenditure outlay, it could be payable on biannual basis or annual basis or monthly basis. So FIDRA's explanation has opened another question. So overdrafts and loan, which of them drops money in the account of the holder? Overdrafts and loan, which of them drops money in the account of the applicant? Hello?
Hello, sir. Drops like how? Drops like how?
When you apply for loan, do they drop money? Do they put the money in your account or not?
Please, they do.
They do.
They do. What about overdrafts? Hey, I've seen some name here. Is he also in this class? Vanessa.
Yes, sir.
I've seen some. Hey, you are a member of the class. Wow.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are welcome. Gabriel,
Thank you.
we see Apple.
Yes, sir. Please, can you hear me?
I can hear you well, loud and clear.
I would say both
Both.
because
Okay.
the overdraft sometimes it depends. Yes, sometimes with the companies, I know they'll just give you the amount in your account, but you'll not be able to withdraw, or they'll just give you that mandate that you'll be able to take this money like up to this limit so that your balance will go negative. But sometimes too, I know some workers to go to the bank and then take overdraft. They give them the cash instead of
There and there, they give them the cash. Yes.
yes.
That one I also know. They give them the cash. Some workers, whilst going to the bank for their salary for the month, they also go with their OD letter,
Yes.
overdraft application letter. So they give it to the bank and they process it there and there. Mm-hmm. All right. Thank you, Apple. So in most cases, in the case of businesses, loan puts money in the account of the applicant. So that loan, the moment it drops into your account, it becomes yours. So whether you use it or not, at the end of the month, interest builds up, or interest start builds up on daily basis. Take note of it. Loan, when you apply for it, the moment they approve of it and disburse, when the disbursement is done, you get your alert, growing, so much has been what? Credited into your account. That very day that the money drops into your account, interest start building up. But with overdrafts, I'm speaking in terms of businesses. With overdrafts, money does not drop into the account of the business. Is there any banker here? Hello?
No, sir.
Do you have any banker here? Anybody who has worked with a bank before? Assembly.
Please,
Are
no.
you working?
No.
Are you working with a bank?
No.
Federal.
No, sir.
Festus, have you worked with a bank before?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. I could hear it from your responses. And the one who just spoke, what is the name? Apple. Have you worked with a bank before?
No, sir.
Gabriel,
No.
no, okay.
No.
Right. So with the overdraft, they only put an information when it is approved, when the overdraft is approved, they only communicate with the applicant. And then when you go to the account of that person, the money is not put in the account. The money is not deposited. Rather, they put an information on the account of the applicant so that any manager or teller who opens the account of the applicant will know that the applicant has been given access to overdrawn his or her account to X or Y amount. Festus, is that not the case?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. So that anytime the applicant issues a check and it is over and above what is in his or her account, because there is an information on that account, the teller will honor the check. And the moment the teller honors the check, the amount of overdraft assessed, the business could be granted 1 billion Ghana cedis overdraft. It doesn't mean that the business will one time or one off exhaust the 1 billion. The business might be paying suppliers in bits, overdrawing the account. So the moment the business assess 100,000 Ghana cedis of the 1 billion, interest will start building on the 100,000 Ghana cedis. And anytime money drops into the account of the holder, automatically it will be deducted. But with loan, if the applicant apply for 1 billion Ghana cedis and it is deposited in his or her account after approval and disbursement, the moment it is deposited, interest starts building on it. But the overdraft that has been applied and it has been approved, it is not in the account, so interest will not start building on it until the person assessed even a pesewa of it. Any amount assessed, interest start building on it until the next deposit in the account, and it will be taken. But with the loan, if it is payable on a monthly basis, let money drop into the account every day till the end of the month. They will not touch it until the end of the month, and they will take their installed payment. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. First, have I left anything out?
Sir, well stated. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Okay. Let's move on. Let's make progress. Okay. So that brings our discussion to a close. So we are going to, the learning outcome is there for you to grapple with. So we are going to solve these two questions. We are going to solve these two questions. Can you see it on my screen? 13.1 and then
Yes, sir.
13.4a.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Any question before we start solving? Any question? So we are going to, I'm going to use my Excel sheets that I've been using, and I will go through it. If no question, then we can uh, okay, Vanessa. Vanessa. Hello, Vanessa. Oh, she's
Sir,
off. Vanessa, good. I hope where you are, you can read for us.
yes, please, I can read.
Okay, read. Let's go.
Okay, so write up a 2-column cash book for a pine furniture shop from the following details and balance it off as at the end of the month. May 1st, started in business with capital in cash, 1,000, is it pounds or euros? 1,000 euros.
Pounds.
Pounds. Okay, so 1st May, started in business with capital in cash, 1,000 pounds. 2nd May, paid rent by cash, 230 pounds. 3rd May, Gym Board lent us 2,000 pounds paid by check. 4th May, we paid J fine by check, 860 pounds. 5th May, cash sales of 190 pounds. 7th May, F Love paid us by check, 34 pounds. 9th May, we paid a more in cash, 92 pounds. We paid a more in cash, 92 pounds. Then 11th May, cash sales paid direct into the bank, 151 pounds. 15th May, P Hood paid us in cash, 96 pounds. 16th May, we took 100 pounds out of the cash till and paid it into the bank account.
19th May, we repaid our onions £500 by check. Then 22nd May, cash sales paid direct into the bank, £122. Then 26th May, paid motor expenses by check, £75. 30th May, withdrew £200 cash from the bank for business use. Then 31st May, paid wages in cash, £320. Thank you.
Okay. So what is the requirement? What is the requirement?
Two column cash book.
To prepare 2-column cash book. Thank you. Okay, so I hope you all have the questions. So I'm going to unshare.
You don't have the slides.
This one.
Yes, it's not on the LMS.
Take a screenshot on your phone.
Hey.
So if you can wait, then we take a shot on the phone so you follow up.
Oh. Should I share it with you now, or you want to take screenshot of this?
Yeah, then you can share it with us now.
Let me share it with you now. Oh.
Yes.
He didn't tell me. Oh. Afro, I've shared it with you. So open your desktop. Put on your WhatsApp. Cost rep Afro. Who is this? Gabriel.
Yes, sir. Afro is not here. So.
Okay. All right. Okay, Gabriel here. Okay, I think we are talking about lecture 7. So you open lecture 7 and you will see it. And Vanessa.
Yes, sir.
So you continue reading.
Okay.
So, Gabriel, do you have it? Gabriel. Gabriel.
Yes, sir.
Do you have it?
Yeah, I've already shared it. We have it.
Okay, thank you. That is lecture 7. It's on lecture 7. Okay, so he said we should what? Write 2-column cash book for Pine Furniture Shop. What is a pine? Can you see my screen?
No, sir.
No, sir.
What is a pine? Google how you can see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so yeah, Dixon, go ahead.
All right, sir. So, a pine is a tall tree that stands tall throughout the year, and it's used for manufacturing of furnitures.
Thank you very much.
All right.
You have some in Ghana?
Well, I've not seen some in Ghana, so I'm not sure.
Yeah. I think due to it's the weather condition, but I'm not sure we have some in Ghana. Okay, thank you very much. So Pine Furniture Shop, cash, is that we should do double column? Is it double column? Variant?
Yes, sir. Double column.
Double column, cash book. You can also take your book and do it along with me.
Yes,
All right,
sir.
so a generation, cash, then bank. Leave a space. We have data narration, cash, and bank. Oh, bank. Okay, so the currency sign. Currency sign is pounds, eh?
Pound.
My laptop, I don't know where to get pounds. Control what?
When you go to the insert, then go to symbols, it will be there.
Insert.
Yes. You have home, WPS, PDF, insert.
Come again.
The top.
Okay, of my, I'm coming. Oh, this is your also. Okay, so insert. Insert, then I go where?
I think it should be at the symbol.
My this thing is not activated. Okay, symbols.
Okay.
Okay. So symbols is here. Good.
Okay.
Oh, correct. It's here. Thank you very much. Insert, then I go to symbols. Okay. All right. So we can now move on. Okay, so the first transaction. My reader, read.
Okay. So first May started in business with capital in cash, £1,000.
So started business with capital £1,000 cash. So it means that the cash will be deposited in the business account. So we go to the debit side. And that is 1st May, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So 0105 20x what?
X8.
20x8. Okay. That transaction is going to, that is the capital the person has started a business with. And it said in cash. So we record it under cash. How much?
£1,000.
Okay. So we have £1,000. If you have your book with you, you can also be entering alongside me so that we are all on the same page. Okay, £1,000. Thank you. Let's move on.
2nd May, paid rent by cash, £230.
I'm coming. Wait for me, I'm coming. 2nd May.
Paid rent by cash, £230.
Paid rents by cash. So we come to the credit side. That is the payment side. 2nd May 20x8. What were they paid? They paid rents. So
Yes, sir.
they paid rents by cash. How much?
£230.
£230. So we record it under cash. The payment was made in cash. So we make the recordings under cash. Thank you. Let's move on.
3rd May, Jane.
Please, hold on. Please, you realize that we are not making entries under the folio column. This is a trial question. They have not given us the folio numbers, so we cannot open a folio column. If you open it, it will just be in vain, waste of time. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
So
Let's
please,
move on.
why is the rent at that side?
Where is the rent?
Yes, sir. It
The rent
didn't
is there,
say
can't you
that.
see?
Yes, sir. So I'm asking that. I thought maybe it
Uh-huh.
will come under the capital, but
No, payments. You are paid.
okay, sir. Okay. Yes, sir.
So payment, you go to the credit side.
Okay, sir.
Receipt, we go to the debit side.
Yes, sir.
So the business received 1,000 cedis cash as capital for the starting of the business. So we debit cash. Okay, thank you. Let's move on. Vanessa, are you tired?
Okay, so on the 3rd of May, Jane Broad lent us £2,000 paid by check.
So lend us, it means money is
Yes.
coming into the business. Lend us. On what day?
3rd May.
3rd May. 20x8. Lend us, money is coming into the business. So we go to the debit side. And the person is called who?
Jane Broad.
Jane?
Jane Broad.
Broom.
Broad. Broad. Jane.
Broad. Okay.
Yes, Broad.
Jane Broad. Okay. How much?
£2,000. Yes.
In check, isn't it?
Yes, please.
So we record it under bank. That is it. Let's move on.
Then 4th May, we paid J fine by check.
Payment. So we go to the other side, the right-hand side, credit side. Date.
4th May.
So 4th May. We paid who?
J fine. Yes.
Okay. J fine. How much?
£860.
Cash or check?
Check.
So we record it under bank, 860. Let's move on.
Then 5th May, cash sales.
So
190
sales,
pounds.
money is coming into the business. Money is coming into the business. So we go to the left-hand side, which is the debit side. 5th May. 5th May. Please, if I'm going too fast, tell me. If there is something you're not getting, tell me. Okay, go. Car sales.
Yes, 190 pounds.
190 pounds. So record it under cash. 190. Good. Let's move on.
Then 7th May.
7th May.
F Love paid
Mhm.
us by check, 34 pounds.
So we are receiving money from F Love. So debit side. What is the date?
7th May.
7th May 20x8. F Love. F Love. Paid us how much?
34 pounds.
Cash or
Cash.
check?
Cash.
Cash.
Thank you. Okay. Move on.
Then 9th May.
Check. Vanessa, it's check, not cash. 7th.
Yes, it's check.
It's check.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, 34 and the bank. Don't worry. Let's move on.
Then 9th May, we paid A more in cash.
We paid, so we go to the
Yes,
credit side.
The credit
Yes.
side.
9th May. A more. We paid him check or
92
cash?
cash.
90 what?
2.
92 pounds. Okay, move on.
Then 11th May, cash sales paid direct into the bank.
So cash is coming.
151
Money is coming in. 11th
May.
May. 11th May 20x8. Cash sales paid direct into bank. So we go straight under bank. Cash sales paid direct into bank. How much?
151.
151. 151.
Yes, sir. 151.
Thank you. Let's go.
Then 15th May, P Hood paid us in cash, 96 pounds.
So 15th May, debit side. Money is coming in. 15th May. What is the name? P what?
Hood. Hood.
D. Okay, P Hood. Paid us in cash, eh?
Yes, sir.
How much?
96.
So we record it under cash. Let's go.
Then 16th May, we took 100 pounds out of the cash till and paid it into the bank account.
Okay, so let's go to taking it out. The date is what? 16th, eh?
Yes, sir.
16th May. We are taking money from cash and we are taking money from bank. Is it? No, he said we took it from cash still and paid it to bank, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So we are taking money from cash and taking it to the bank. So that's what you do. The money is taken to bank. We are taking it to bank. Pay attention here. So the money is taken under cash and going to bank. Right. How much did we take?
100 pounds.
100 pounds. So when we come, we have to put it in the bank. On that same day, 16th May. 20x8. The money is coming from cash. and we are depositing it under bank, 100. Period. So that is how you do that transaction. And after doing it, you know the double entry has been completed in one book. So this transaction, you write into brackets C. And that into brackets C means what? Contra entry. Contra entry. Then you go to the bank side and do the same thing. So that is the contra entry I explained to you when we were doing it. So that is it, period. Any question about this? Let's move on. Vane, let's move on.
On the 19th May, we paid our onions
We paid,
£500.
so credit
Yes.
side, 19th May, 20x8. Is that what? Our onions.
Yes.
Is that it?
Yes, sir.
Our onion. Our Jane. Cash or check?
Check.
Check.
Check. How much?
£500.
£500. Okay.
Then
Now, Vanessa,
okay.
thank you for reading up to here. Let me call another person. I've just seen somebody pop up. Kingsley.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Kingsley, read.
So we are 22nd May.
Okay.
Cash sales paid direct into the bank. That's
okay.
122.
So money coming into the business. So we go to the debit side. 22nd May, 20x8 cash sales. Say paid direct into bank. Bank. We debit bank. How much?
That's £122.
122.
122, yes, sir.
Okay, let's go.
Then on 26th, paid motor expenses by check. That's £75.
Motor expenses we paid. So we go to the credit side. 26th May, 20x8 motor
expenses.
Okay.
Check. And we pay check.
Check. Okay.
So that's 75.
Check of how much?
£75.
£75. Thank you. Go on.
Then we move on to 30th.
No.
Then withdraw.
No.
30th.
30th okay. May. Oh, okay. We are on 30th. Thank you. 30th.
Yeah. So on 30th, we withdrew £200 cash from the bank for business use.
For business use. So it means we withdrew the money from bank and brought it to the office for business use. So yes, it is going to 30th.
30th.
Yes, 30th.
30th May 20x8. So we withdrew from bank to cash. So here cash, and the money is taken from bank. How much?
That's 200.
200 pounds.
200 pounds.
200 pounds.
Then when we come to this side, the money must be brought to cash. So 30th May 20x8 bank. The money is coming from bank. And how much? 200.
200.
Thank you. And don't forget, I said, since this transaction is happening in the same book, you come and you put into bracket C.
C.
That is what? Contra.
Contract.
Contra entry. So you come here, you do the same for this one too. Into bracket C. That is it. So that one too is contra entry. Let's move on.
So the last transaction was on 31st. Paid
First.
wages in cash.
So payment, we go to the credit side. 31st May 20x8. And we are talking about what? Wages.
Wages.
Cash.
Yes, sir. Cash.
Yes, sir. Cash.
How much?
320.
Come again?
320.
320,
sir.
Okay. Thank you. Is that all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these are all our transactions. So the next thing the question said we should do is to what? They said we should balance. We should what? Balance off at the end of the month. So we are supposed to balance off. So take your calculators, cash side, add up. Add cash debit side, add cash credit side, add bank debit side, add bank credit side. And let's continue. So when you add, write it somewhere. We'll take and then apply them. When you are done, you tell me.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. Let's go. Debit side, cash.
Yeah, so I have 1486.
1486.
Exactly.
Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1486. Okay. What about the credit side?
2407.
407.
2407.
07.
The cash side.
742.
742.
742.
742.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's how we do it. So now the 1486 is more than 742. So we'll use the 1486. 1486 as the balancing figure. So we come here, 1486. Okay.
Yes,
But
sir.
now, what do we have to add to 742 for it to be 1486?
744.
744.
7 what?
44.
744. So
Yes,
this
sir.
744 will be done on the 31st of May, because it said we should balance off at the end of the month. 31st of May, 20x 8.
Yes, sir.
Balance carried down. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Balance carried down. So we clean this one. Now, since we introduced this balance carried down, we come here. 1st of June, 20x8. Balance brought down. Balance brought down. 744. Then we are done. Okay? Okay?
Yes, sir.
So that is for the cash. Then let's come to bank. Bank debit side. What did you get?
We had 2407.
2407.
07.
What about the credit side?
1635.
1635. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it correct?
Yes.
Yes.
So 2407 is greater than the other one, so it becomes the balancing figure. 2407. Okay?
Yes,
so
sir.
what do we have to add to 1635 for it to be equal to 2407?
772.
772. So it means still the balance carried down is at a what? It's at a credit side. So when we come here, balance brought down 772. That's it. So that's all. We are done with our account. So when you finish, you double underline this one. Double underline this. Double underline it. Double underline it. So that's all. We are done. So we did the balance brought down, the balance carried down, and the balance brought down. So
Hello, sir.
that is what you have. Yes, ask your question.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Sir, this particular question, we realize that we have a debit balance for the bank. Now,
Yes.
I want us to look at it where you have an overdraft. So the credit side of the bank will be more than the debit side of the same bank.
Perfect.
So is that the situation? Is that the situation we described as overdraft? And when it is so, how is the narration going to be?
Yeah, that is what we describe as an overdraft. When it is so, the balance carried down for the bank will be at the debit side. It will be at this side.
Okay.
Okay. It will be at this side. The balance carried down will be at this side. And the balance brought down will come to this side.
Yes, with a narration as what? Overdraft?
No.
Or you just leave it like that?
You don't do any narration. All that you do here is balance carried down. And then when you come here, balance brought down. Then anybody who sees it, who sees a figure here, knows very well that this is an overdraft.
Okay, so assuming the accounting user, the accounting information user is not abreast with accounting knowledge, how would the person interpret that as an overdraft? Like a layman.
So for a layman, that is where in the notes to the account, the accountant will explain what it means to have a credit balance. Or at annual general meeting, when shareholders ask, then they will explain that, oh, the credit balance is an overdraft. And they will even explain it in the note. They will give a note on it.
A note.
The bank is having an overdraft. The business is having an overdraft of so much with 8 banks. Bankers.
So, but will it be correct in accounting terms to put into bracket overdraft or OD against the balancing figure there? Would it be
okay? It will not be out of place because the banks are currently doing that. The banks, they are doing it. They write and they put into bracket even either at the end as OD or CR. Even when they put the CR, they still put into bracket O/D.
D. Okay.
Yes.
Because in some books I see them as it as so. That is why I in Frank Wood and
Yes. Frank Wood, you want to explain into detail, so they'll put OD. You are right.
Yeah. Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome. Any other? So this is what the question is demanding of you. Okay. So when I finish, I'll take short of questions I have in my book and share with you.
Sir, please, my last question.
Yeah. Oh, ask. Yeah, we are learning.
Yes. I think initially I asked permission to stay away from the class. I asked the class rep to ask permission for me. So I just joined.
He didn't ask.
Okay. I was on it, but I was not around. Thank you, sir.
For your information, he didn't ask.
Okay, so I'm using this opportunity to.
So you can. I'm telling you so that you take him on.
Okay, sir. Okay, Gabi. All right, sir. So, from what we've just done, the cash book, we realize that all the items in the cash book, you will see their corresponding entry in the ledgers.
Yeah.
You will see their corresponding entry in the ledgers. But with the contra entry, transaction, you are not going to see any corresponding entry in the sales and in the ledger, because
in the other ledgers.
Yes, in the other ledgers, you're not going to see their corresponding entry.
Yeah.
Is that so?
Yes, that is it. Because the 2 ledgers are here. The cash account and the bank account, they are all here.
Okay. Okay. All right, that's what I wanted to get.
You're right. You're
Thank
perfectly
you.
right.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Oh, okay. I didn't notice you are not around because you ask questions that bothers the class. Oh, okay. Harrison. So take Gabi on. Gabi did not ask permission for it. Any other question? Harrison, you were there asking questions, in the chat.
Yes. That with regards to the contra entry, yes.
Okay. Yeah. All right, can we move on? Hello, can we move on?
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you. So we take question 2. Question number 2. Do you have some time? Our time is up.
Sure. No, time is up.
Okay. All right.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
So is it always the case that the entry after the entries, the total on the bank side, I mean the receiver side should be equal to that of the credit side, and the total It should be the same.
Yes, the total. Yes, this ones. Yes. This ones. You are right. Yeah, it's always the case.
So
they have to be.
All right. So if they are not the same, it means there might be something wrong with the entries.
No, there is nothing wrong with the entries.
No,
if they are not the same, that is. No. There is nothing wrong with the entry. What it means is that go and look for the differences. And the differences will be the closing balances. So here, what it means is that in May, the business mobilized a total cash of 1486, but they spend less than 1486. So the balance left is 744, which they will begin June with. In May, the business mobilized check to the tune of 2407, but they paid out or they spent from their bank less than 2407. So the difference left is 722, which they will begin June with. That is all. So anytime the totals are not the same, what it means is that there is money left or they have overspent. So look for that difference.
Oh, okay.
All right, sir. Sir,
Kinsley, are you okay?
In this same scenario.
Kinsley, are you okay?
I'm okay, sir. Thanks, sir.
All right. So who is on floor?
Yes, sir. Harrison.
Harrison.
Yes. In this same scenario, the question my brother asked, where there is a balancing figure that will determine whether it's a balance carried down or balance brought down. Yeah. Is there, in business practices, are there situations where there is no cash left or bank left, where the account closes off? Like, the business will use up all the money it has, the cash that he has or it has, and the money in the bank that it also has. Would there be or can there be a situation in business practice where there was no balancing figure?
Okay, so this one, unless we ask business operators. It's a good question.
Yeah.
But the one who has experienced it before is the one who will be able to tell you. But I can tell you that it is possible. But the bank will not allow you to run your account zero. If you want to run your account zero, then come and close the account. Because there should be something in it for them to take their quarterly or monthly charges.
Okay.
Even when you go to the ATM, you want to use the ATM to withdraw all your money. You get to a point in time, the system tells you you can't withdraw.
Insufficient.
It has happened to me with EcoBank before.
So
EcoBank, I think if you withdraw up to a balance of 50 cedis, you can't go beyond it.
They will tell you it's insufficient fund.
Fadra, you said they will tell you what?
Insufficient fund.
Exactly.
The same commercial.
Commercial to
that is with the bank. What about the cash?
The cash, that one, you can exhaust everything in the office. The cash, that one is in your pocket, or is in the office. You can run it to zero.
Okay.
That one is possible.
But
if you are not lucky to armed robbers, or your workers can steal you, so you run to zero.
But sir, in other business world, no, even the businesses also have their lower cash flow balance. For example, some of them have a policy that maybe your cash book should not go below this amount. Or your interest account should not go below. And then others have the maximum threshold.
Yes.
So that it will not happen in a situation where you consume everything in the office and
That's
then
right.
there's an emergency to be catered for, and then you are now rushing to the bank.
Yes.
So they give those
They come
thresholds.
out with those policies.
Yes.
To guide cash management.
Yes.
Cash management. Thank you very much, Festus. It is done by businesses. So you can't run everything to ground zero unless you are folding up. Unless you are folding up, you don't want to continue with the operation. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
All right. So I think the 3-column cash book, we'll defer it to our face-to-face, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes.
So next week is face-to-face, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Would that be our last meeting?
The last but one.
Oh, so after face-to-face, we have another meeting, eh?
Which is also a face-to-face.
We have a revision. You have a revision.
No.
Hey.
I think after face-to-face is revisional.
Revision, yes.
A revision, we don't meet.
Okay,
yes, sir.
So I think the face-to-face will be our last meeting.
And that will be next week, eh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Should we expect something?
The second question.
I was asking the face-to-face, should we expect something from you?
Something from me?
Yes.
You when we meet.
Okay, yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, please, the second question, is it also from Frank Wood? Is it the same, this one? Because I'm not seeing it here.
This question?
Yes.
This question, I'm not sure. You are not seeing it there. Frank Wood, which edition are you using? Which edition are you using?
I'm using 11th edition.
Okay, I don't know whether...
I see the Pine furniture here. Yes. And I also
13.1.
Yes, 13.1, the review questions. And I also see 13.2a, which is
okay, so you can try the 13.2a.
Okay.
And then we have the 13.4a, which I said when we meet, we'll try our hands on.
Okay.
Okay.
That's Office Supply Shop. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes. Okay. On that note, if there is no further question, can I leave you for you to go for your next lecture?
Sir, please, the assignment, this one, the LMS is still not open.
The assignment. How many assignments do you have? Do I have with you?
Hey, a lot. I don't know. Is it two?
Two. There are two. There are
yes,
two
and
assignments.
all have.
Yes. How many do you have? We see a lot.
Okay.
Two is a lot.
Yeah.
Okay. Hello.
Hi.
Yes, sir.
So when we meet next week, I'll take hard copy.
Hey.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
You say A. You go ask question now. You are saying A.
Who say A?
I'll take hard copy. So if you done soft, you can go and print it out. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
All right. So put it in an you come to class with it. Let a course rep mobilize them. Assignment, there are two assignments. So assignment one, you should mobilize all and put it in one envelope. And then assignment two, mobilize all and put it in another envelope. When I come, I'll take them. Okay.
Sorry, sir. Please, what about those of us who may not be able to honor the face-to-face?
Harrison, give it to Mr. Apau.
So why don't you send it to a friend for a friend to print it out and submit for you?
Okay. Kaswa people. Is there anyone around Kaswa, please?
VIP bus.
Is there?
That's why you
Yeah,
can
But
make it.
Harrison,
sending
meet me halfway with it.
soft copy to, do you have to get somebody in
Harrison,
Kaswa before you send a soft copy?
Give it to Bass. VIP Bass.
Delivery. Okada delivery.
Sulemana.
Harrison, you can worry.
Sulemana. You.
Harrison.
Yes, sir.
I said send a soft copy to a colleague and ask
I
the
take them.
colleague to print it out for you.
I take them,
And
sir.
you say,
I
who
take them,
stays
sir.
around Kaswa?
Okay, I take them, sir. I withdraw.
Okay,
I can print it for you.
I'll be passing by Kaswa, so you can meet me at the station and give it to me.
Harry, send it. I'll
That
print
would
it
be
for
zero.
you.
Zero be that.
I say someone has opted that you send it to him.
Yo, Messi, Akwe.
Yo.
Yeah, question.
Okay, so colleagues, let's meet God willing next week. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Enjoy the rest of your lectures.
Yes, sir.
Bye bye.
Business information systems. Hey.
Bye, sir.
Hey.
Bye bye.
Mhm.